So welcome everyone. My name is Kyle Hershey. I'm the COO of the Mortgage Calculator, joined here by our president, Nick Hershey, and our sales manager, Jose Gonzalez. Today, we're going to be talking about our business purpose loan referral program. So this is for people such as realtors and other professionals who may be coming into contact with people who need to do business purpose loans. Our most favorite one is DSCR loans, the most common one, but Nick's going to go through a presentation here and talk about some of the other types of loans as well. Now, this referral program that we have does allow you to refer business purpose loans and receive a referral fee as long as it is a true business purpose loan. And this goes for unlicensed individuals, so realtors, insurance agents, or just anyone in the real estate business who may have loans to refer. So we're going to go through a little presentation here on those type of loans, and then I will talk about how to get yourself set up to become a referral partner and how that works. So Nick, let's go ahead and get into the presentation here.
All right, thank you. Let me go ahead and share my screen and we will check it out. All right, so hopefully everybody can see my screen here now. This is going to be our presentation, again, as Kyle mentioned, for our investor solutions for any partners, mortgage brokers, realtors, real estate brokers, as Kyle mentioned, insurance agent. Anybody that has contact with real estate investors, we love to work with. Investors are definitely our favorite clients here. So let me go ahead and get into the presentation and explain a little bit more about how it works. So the presentation here, just a short outline. We're going to go over the products. We're going to go over the benefits of partnering with us. We're going to go over the specific DSCR type of loans, all of the different basically property types we can use them for. And then as Kyle mentioned, a little bit about how to actually partner with us. And then since we're live today, we can actually show you guys how to sign up there. Kyle will take over the screen here in a minute. So first off, why partner with the Mortgage Calculator? Well, you can obviously earn a referral fee, as Kyle mentioned, for business purpose loans. We love to work with investors. That is our specialty. And we have a ton of different products, from our in-house products to additional products from our over 100 banks and lenders that we partner with. So we always have the best non-QM rates and terms. That's what we focus on. That's really our niche here at the Mortgage Calculator. We can do instant online rate quotes and applications. So for your customers, they can actually pull rates for our investor products instantly themselves. So can you as well. Kyle will show you how that kind of works as well. We have referrals in 44 states. So since we're really focused on investor products, we have clearance to do our loans in 44 different states. Pretty much every state out there with some investor concentration, we make sure that we are covered. And we have our custom system that keeps you in the loop basically with all the quotes that go out. So you have some tracking ability in there. Obviously, you're not the loan officer. You're going to refer that deal to the loan officer, but you can stay in the loop as those quotes are getting sent out, as your prospect moves through the process, and then you can track that throughout. So what kind of products do we have? Obviously, DSCR is what we're really focused on. That's our main product. There's a bunch of different variations. There are DSCR for commercial as well, but then there are also traditional commercial loans we can set your borrowers up with. Fix and flip loans, definitely a popular product for investors out there. Ground up construction. We even have done some giant ground up construction projects for very large multifamily, 10, 20, 100 units, very large properties. Mixed use, small mixed use, definitely something that we do a lot regularly. And then we also have options for very large mixed use properties as well, as mixed use becomes a more popular zoning type. Multifamily, definitely popular as well. We have all kinds of different options, from small multifamily where we can do them in-house to our huge, 200, 300 unit multifamily properties that we mentioned before. That would be for the long-term loan. And then we also have portfolio loan options. A lot of investors with multiple properties, especially low property values, definitely like to check out our portfolio options where they can have multiple properties under one loan. So let's go into a specific here. Our DSCR product for real estate investors, definitely our flagship product. DSCR is the gross rents divided by PITIA. That's the DSCR value. No income, no employment, no tax returns, no documentation needed like that. All we do is do an appraisal on the property. Whatever the estimated rents come in at, we put that over the PITIA of the mortgage, the full payment, and that becomes the DSCR ratio. If the ratio is over 1, obviously that's the preferred, where the property cash flows on a monthly basis. The investor's making money monthly. That has all of the best pricing. There is some premiums for pricing where properties cash flow even greater than 1.0. We even have options for ratios from 0, aka we can't get a firm hold on what the rents are, or maybe it's a short-term property and long-term rents just don't pencil out. So no ratio or 0 ratio loans where we don't actually look at the ratio. Obviously, we still have to do the appraisal, but we don't actually use the ratio for those types of loans. Those do have some restricted LTVs, etc. We also have a ton of options for short-term rental. Very popular request right now. A lot of the investors are finding those little bit of extra profit margins there from short-term rentals. So that is where they're getting a lot of requests for new properties, but they need to use short-term rental income. There are some options where we can use that to determine the DSCR ratio, or we could use our 0 ratio if the rents don't pencil out. We have 30 or 40-year terms, all kinds of different options we can add. Again, that helps the ratios, helps the profit. Investors love to cash flow, so 40-year, also fixed rate or interest only. So 40-year combined with interest only, definitely a popular request for investors looking to increase their cash flow. And you can get instant rates on our pricer there. You guys will have your own custom link once you sign up, where your customers can pull instant rates and get into the system and actually start their loan as well. Now, who can we do our DSCR loans with? U.S. citizens, I-10s, so people that may not have status here, foreign nationals, a true foreign national that doesn't have any status here at all and lives and works outside of the U.S. First-time home buyers are eligible for some of these programs. Obviously, there's some restrictions there. First-time investors are eligible for these programs with some restrictions as well. So basically anybody, right? Anybody that wants to buy an investment property, we can make that happen, make their dreams come true, and obviously make your clients happy. What are the property types that are typical? So 1 to 4 unit residential, obviously that's the most popular request, standard rental properties. We also get a lot of requests for the small commercial, 5 to 8 unit. We can do those in-house. Those are definitely becoming more and more popular. And the 2 to 8 mixed use version of them, so a small commercial property. Then, as I mentioned before, the giant properties, 9 to 100 units, multifamily. We have some special programs for that use the DSCR. Anything above 100 units, you're looking at more of a commercial, full commercial loan. Short-term rentals, we mentioned that before, definitely very popular for the DSCR products. Condotels, very popular use for the DSCR products. That's kind of the old version of a short-term rental, right? The traditional version. Now people are doing it with all kinds of different properties, but condotels are still out there. Manufactured homes, investors love those manufactured homes, definitely higher rent, higher DSCR ratios. So those are very popular, especially right now, as those are definitely the more affordable options that are out there for our investors. And as we mentioned before, portfolio loans, 2+ properties in 1 loan, that is especially helpful when properties are lower value, so we can combine them to get a larger loan amount and therefore better terms for our loan. Now, commercial loans, this is not necessarily DSCR. This is, the traditional commercial loans. We have access to all these different products as well: office, retail, shopping centers, hotels, industrial storage, gas stations, land, ground up construction, very popular request right now. Assisted living facilities, not many outlets allow it. We have a couple of special ones that do. Fix and flip, hard money, all of the traditional commercial products. Now, how do you partner with us? Simply use your link. So Kyle will show you how that works in a second. You sign up, you get a link. You'll be able to submit your deals instantly. Realtors are going to be tagged on all the quotes. So if you're a realtor, we can tag you as a realtor. Or if you're, partnering with a realtor or something, we can tag them on the quotes as well. You can reach out to your MLO anytime. So you'll have a portal where you can see the deal going on. Obviously, you're not going to see private information, but if you refer to customer, you can check in on the deal and reach out to the MLO to see what's going on. All of those business purpose loans are tracked in the portal. Obviously, a non-business purpose loan isn't applicable, but any of those applicable loans that you've submitted will be tracked in the portal. And if you earn a invoice, it will be paid within 10 days of closing from our accounting department. So that's the basics of how it works. So let me go ahead and stop my screen and we'll pass it back over to Kyle. He'll show the actual sign up link since we don't have that in the presentation here, and show you guys how to sign up and get started if you want to start sending some deals over. So you ready, Carl?
Absolutely. So if you go to our website, we'll drop the link here in the chat, but if you go to the website here and you go to contact, so the mortgagecalculator.com, you go to contact, you can click refer a business purpose loan. Now we have a version of this video up here, a couple details here, and the button here to join as a commercial partner. So remember, you can make 75 basis points, that's 0.75% for the business purpose loans that you refer. So you would sign up here. And what's going to happen is you're going to actually receive your own link so that you can send clients to us. And it's a referral link, so everything is tracked to you. So just go ahead and sign up here under contact, refer a business purpose loan. When you click this button, it's going to take you to sign up. It'll have you sign an agreement, which is the referral agreement. And then we'll give you a link so you can go ahead and start referring us clients, and it will all be tracked through the system. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and throw it over here to our sales manager, Jose Gonzalez. He has 28 years experience as a loan officer and a realtor. I know some of the people watching this are probably realtors as well. So before we wrap it up, just want Jose to touch base here on the power of being able to refer these leads in, whether you're a realtor or any other type of professional. What this kind of opportunity allows. So go ahead, Jose.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Definitely the power of collaboration is key here to make sure that, because I'm also a real estate agent, right? Been a real estate agent and a loan originator ever since I started my career. And if you're not teaming up with the mortgage calculator to be able to refer your business purpose loans, you're basically leaving money on the table. We're looking at 0.75 of a point, which is the referral fee. So you can basically get every investor who you've ever dealt with who's purchased a property through you as a cash transaction or as a hard money loan. That's a potential lead there for you to be able to reach out to them, refer them to the mortgage calculator so that we can cash them out, put more money into their pocket so they can buy more properties. We have options with zero seasoning on these loans, which means your investor purchases the property either with hard money, let's not say cash, let's say hard money. We can refinance them as long as they're on title today. We can refinance them tomorrow at the current market value and not the purchase price. So if they're such a keen investor, they got that $250,000 property for $100,000. They want to cash it out tomorrow and buy 2 or 3 more of those great deals. We can facilitate that as we do have options, which is very popular with investors with no seasoning, which is great on your fixed flip deals as well. Get into that fixed flip project in and out in 30, 60 days. We can turn around and refinance them out of that hard money or that fixed flip loan into the end loan so they could keep the property and add it to their successful portfolio of properties. As Kyle mentioned, all of our partners are tagged on the quotes on their referrals, so you immediately know when quotes are going out to the prospect that you have referred, so that you can also collaborate, follow up with them, as well as the MLO to be following up with them to make sure they received what they received, that they understand any questions, so that we can all work together to ensure that the borrower's objective is met. So not only are you empowered in the whole process by knowing what's going on, but you can also add to the process, since you will have all of the information as soon as your borrower receives the information. All of our MLOs are well trained throughout the process. There are multiple levels of support that are provided to the MLOs so that they in turn can also keep you, our referral partner, abreast of everything that's going on in the process to make sure that the prospect is taken care of in a manner that's satisfactory to the prospect and also to the referring partner, as we want to make sure that you are comfortable that all of your referrals are being taken care of. So, I mean, at the Mortgage Calculator, you will benefit through working with the Mortgage Calculator. You will benefit from the over 5,000 products that we offer to our prospects. So rest assured, there isn't any product out there that we are not able to offer to your prospects. We do train all of our MLOs to act as loan consultants and not application takers. So they will always try to consult your borrower and bring you into the mix to make sure that the borrower's objective, what they want to do, is met, and that we're not simply just forcing your borrower to accept a supposed solution because it's the only one that we may have. We have many solutions available, and we always strive to bring everybody into the discussion to make sure that everybody's content, and so that we can go full speed ahead with the best choice for the consumers. So we're really looking forward to working with all of you and making sure that, as I mentioned, you're not leaving money on the table, but that you're actually growing by collaborating with the Mortgage Calculator.
All right, perfect. So just to wrap it up here, remember, you don't need a license for this as long as it's a true business purpose loan. So a true business purpose loan would be a loan that is not using any income from the borrower and is closing in an entity such as an LLC. So just want to make sure everybody's on the same page as far as what type of loans you can refer to get a referral fee. If you are referring a true business purpose loan, then you can be compensated for a 75 basis points referral fee, which is 0.75% of the loan amount. What you can do is go ahead and go to themortgagecalculator.com, click on contact, and then refer business purpose loan, sign up there. We will then reach out and give you your own link so you can just start referring leads to us. You can just make sure they sign up at your link, and then they will be in the system assigned to a loan officer, and you will be kept updated, and it will be tracked to you, and you will be paid out your referral fee to your entity, some type of LLC entity that we can pay the referral fee out to. So with that being said, we appreciate everybody tuning in. We hope to work with some of you soon as a referral partner. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Jose. And we hope to work with you all soon. Everybody have a great day.